Hello, hello. What are today's messages? Let's pick a card and see what we need to hear today. Not all storms come to disrupt your life. Some come to clear your path. Think about the biggest storm you have gone through in your life. How did it change you for the better? Which item has our quotes today? Let's pick this box. You're allowed to be the single soul who'd rather be single and happy than committed to the wrong person and miserable. I'm already spoiled. Please don't come into my life trying to unspoil me. Leave me alone. Choose people who are dedicated to grow with you, to do the work, to understand, to be curious, to feel, and to see the real you. We all have seeds of love. We are all born with them. We may not have grown with them. We may have forgotten them, or we may have not taken good care of them, but we all have them. Draw your awareness towards them, water and nourish them. Trust and believe, and they will grow. When you pull your brain back from tomorrow and your heart back from yesterday, you find peace in today. Show me what I need to see. Show me what I need to know. Show me what I need to feel. Lori Ladd. Empaths are mirrors, and some people don't like their own reflection. Shout out to everyone who got through the day without taking a nap. You pulled an all-dayer today. Pretty tough. I'm proud of you. And the last one today. Needing to know everything is a state of lack. Instead, I have everything I need. I am exactly where I need to be. I hold trust in that from the moment to moment. EA. All right, thanks for stopping by. Adios.